What if there's the AI powered video editing platform with the help of you can create the marketing videos, promotional videos, or even the professional videos. Plus it has so many great AI features available that you can find not in any one tool. All this stuff here, like it has the AI to text to video, means you can just add the text and it will generate the video. It has the AI video script generator. It has AI blog to video, means if you have the any blog post URL and you want to turn that into the video, there's the option available. You want to translate your video or dub your video into the any other language, it has the translator available. It has the text to speech. It has the AI image generator. It has auto subtitle generator. Even you can remove the background from your videos with the help of AI. It has AI audio noise reducer. It has AI vocal remover. All the stuff you are getting in the one single tool. Plus this is just the tip of the iceberg, because if I click here on the tool, you can see it has all these tools and the features available for easily editing and making your video stunning and attracting. So this tool name is the FlexClip, and recently I am just amazed because so many good features right now introduced in this platform. So I have already done a detailed video around the last 2 years back. You can see this is the video I'm talking about, and I have also the giveaway with the FlexClip on my channel here. So right now I'm back in the 324 with the latest FlexClips review video with introducing all new latest features and the things you can do with this AI powered video editing platform. So let's get started, and this tool is available right now on the app Sumo. Let me tell you, it's back again on the app Sumo, and pricing is just $69 for the one-time payment. Means for all this stuff that I have just give you the glimpse and told you about right now, you can get in just $69 one-time payment. And look at the reviews, more than 4,000 plus reviews. So every user who is using the FlexClip, there's the no complaint he can found or she can found in the platform. This is how well crafted, easy to use platform is. If you don't believe me by word, let me give you a demo video for the product promotional video I have created with the FlexClip. So this is the video I'm talking about, and you can see the video is in the vertical format, and there are so many scenes I have added video, and all these scenes and even the background music I have created with the FlexClip. Let me play a video for a few seconds so you can get the idea. See, isn't it just amazing? Let me also play the scene 2 for you. Okay, this is the scene 3. Let me start from the all this animations is really attractive, attention grabbing, and the visually really applying and engaging. Okay, and the best part, in this frame I can just customize anything. I want to change the image, I can easily do that. I can change the text, I can easily do that. I want to add a new aspect, I can easily do that. Plus not only you can do in the really simple way like the child's playground, but you can also add the more things like styles, animations. You can add the copyright free images, videos, music, effects, elements. All this stuff you can add from here on the left side menu icon. Plus there are also the templates available. You want to change from this one, like these are so many cool templates available. So I'm going to give you a detailed demo of this platform with a tutorial how you can also create this kind of the video. Okay, so just stay tuned with me for the few minutes and I will show you everything. So first let me talk about the lifetime deal, because this is the deal I think you should not miss out. So if you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description, and you can read yourself. Easily create and edit videos for marketing, social media, family, and any other purpose. Integrate with resources rich stock media provided a fantastic collection of the text, animations, element, and the transitions. If I scroll down below, this is a really cool alternative to the iMovie, Adobe Premiere, all those stuff, because you don't have to pay so much money and the time creating the stunning video. It has the already the templates available. All you need to just customize and configure it according to you, and you will get the your desired video. So these are all the features, you can check it out. 3 million plus dynamic elements, 700 plus effects and filters, and more than 200 plus transitions. It has the thousands of templates available. It has screen recorder. It has the branding custom options available. Means you have to just add the few logos, colors around your branding, and every time you will create the video, it will be according to your brand. Okay, so these are all the features. Look at the features. Okay, in the tier 1 plan you are only paying the $69, but here are the things you are getting. 720p HD download, video length up to 25 minutes, 10 GB cloud storage, 50 GB video hosting space. Okay, so these two things you will only need to pay around this pricing here, but we are also getting a lot of cool things like AI text to video, image, all this stuff I already talked about. But these are the limits you will get with the tier 1 plan. But if you want more limits or go with the full HD or the 4K ultra HD downloads, then you have to go with the plan 2 and plan 3. Okay, so what I suggest, go with it at least plan 2, because here you will get the full HD video downloads and more extra credits. So let me now go to its dashboard and start talking and showcasing its feature. Before that, there's the 60 days money back guarantee also you are getting with all the plans just I have talked about. Somehow you are not happy with the FlexClip, you can return it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be backed. So if you want to check the deal, the link will be given in the description. Now let me get to its dashboard. This is my recent project. For example, this is the I have video that I have generated with the FlexClip. This is right now in the recent I have showed here. Okay, so let me go to the projects. Basically project, it will show you the all recent projects you have done that. Then this is the one more core feature, that is the templates, because here you will find out for every your objective, it's your business video, marketing video, professional videos, creative videos, social media, community, any kind of the video, you will find the templates. And there's also the filtration category available on top of that. For example, you want to create the business related video like your product promotional video, then you have to just go to the business and services, and here you will find out promotion and sales videos, corporate videos, and store kind of the video. So let me go with the store, because here I can create the videos. Okay, and you can see there's the also the marketing, testimonial, review, and tutorial video you can create with. Let me go with the e-commerce here. Okay, suppose you have the e-commerce and you want to create the promotional video, so you have to just go to the business. Here you have to just select here on the e-commerce, and now you can find out all the templates for the e-commerce products. And right now you can see for the every popular product there's the template available, and I'm really surprised because they have really good templates available. And if I just hover my cursor here, I can just play the video or preview the video. This is how it's well structured, design, and user interface of the FlexClips, making it really useful. And let me check this video. Okay, this is for the smartwatch, and I'm really surprised with it. Let me play or cursor any other video. Let's go to this furniture video. Looks also good. So right now let's click it here on this furniture video, and let me use it, okay, for my promotional video. Okay, I am stunned and so loud because the music background and the text that is integrated with each other in this promotional video is just mind-blowing and the attention grabbing. This is just stunning. In the single platform I am getting this so much stuff, and look at how fast this platform is. This is the web-based app. I don't have just installed this platform on my desktop, but I can also do that, because you can see this the install FlexClip video maker. You can also install it on your desktop, but right now I am on just the web application, and look at the speed and the performance. This is just mind blowing here. And first I have to just select the format, on which format I want to customize this video or create the video. For example, there's this horizontal, like for V this is the YouTube or the any 16:9 ratio video. Okay, there's this reels kind of the video, and there's also the square kind of the video. We have to just select whatever the format we want to create. So right now it is taking a little bit to customizing the format for us, but once the thing is load, we can just click here on the customize. Okay, so right now it is loading, but we can also click on the customize. So let's click it here on the customize, and we will redirect it to its editing panel here, where we can change everything. Like this is the editing panel. you can check it out. And this is the timeline. So right now till it is loading here the its editing panel, we have to check out few things that I can show you on this this vertical video editing panel. For example, there is this thing like you want to change the font size and font style. You can do it from here. This is for the font size. Okay, there are so many fonts available, plus you can also add your custom fonts. There's the option available here for the uploading font. So it is taking a little bit time to showing all this stuff because this is the web app, and right now this is the thing only for its editor. While I am exploring the things, it is the fast. Okay, so let me go to the site and we reach. I think I have just moved to the next tab here. That's why it is not showed us its editing panel. So right now I am going to stay on this screen, so editing panel will be loaded. So this is our editing panel and it is now fully loaded. And if you remember, we have just choose the horizontal format, but still if you want to change that, we can do it from here. Like you can see all these formats available. For me, if I select here on the horizontal, it is now on the horizontal. But let's go for its vertical sorry, this is the horizontal format and this is the vertical format here. So as for now, I am going to stay with the horizontal format so I can show you. And right now let me play the video here. So you can see all the element that is showing right now is so much small. So I don't know why that stuff is happened. I think the loading a little bit cracked up here while I have just clicked on the customize button. But as for now, let's go with the any other format so we can just make it more good to know. Here let me select all this thing and make it a little bit larger, so you can also know how it is easy to do all this stuff here. Okay, so let me click here, fit. Okay, so that's how I can do that, but still I have to make it a center here. Okay, center, but now I have to little bit make it small. Okay, now it looks good. Now we can get back to our horizontal format. See, boom. But still I want to make it a little bit big. I can do that, so let's do that right now. This is the good enough for the layout size. And now let me play it. Okay, so only for this scene its size is the good enough to check it out for us. So we have to do that for every screen here. So that is pretty much easy. We have to just drag and drop. Okay, and then make the layout to the center, and this is good to go. See, in the center. Now let me play it for you. Okay, so let's make the things a little bit quick here, because for the every scene if I do the same thing, it will take a lot time. So right now let me talk about the thing. If you want to add or change the background, you can do it. If you want to change and configure the text, you can just simply click on that element and you can customize. For example, this is let's make it this. That's how it is easy. If you want to change the colors from the yellow from the white, I can make it black. Okay, not black. Okay, I have to select the text full all. Let's make it black. See, so that's how it is easy. I want to change the image, I can easily do that. Plus it has so many great options available. Suppose you want to add your own media or image, just click on the files and you can easily add your own media. There's also this cloud option where you can just store your files that you use repeatedly. Okay, then this is the videos. From you will find out the copyright free images, videos, all those stuff that you can easily use without getting any copyright infringement. Same goes for the images and the audio. This is the elements, this is the effects. If you want to add just few more effects, there's some effects available. For example, this is the brush, golden element, so many great options for the adding the this effect section. Then this is the tools. While you want to add use the tools like the AI video generator, text to speech, translator, all this stuff in your video, this is the tools sections dedicated section available right now here. Okay, so all this stuff you can find out on the left side menu, and if you select any element and want to configure or customize it, then for that customization options you will find out on the this top right top section of the your editing dashboard here. And this is the timeline where you can select the scenes, make the changes. This is the your section for the audio. If you want to change or remove the audio, you can do it from here. Suppose I want to add the more audio, so I will go to the audio, and this is the audio. Just simply click here on the plus icon, and this audio will be added here. So you can see right now I can drag and drop to timeline wherever I want to add it here. So let me delete this one. So simply select this audio here and click here on the delete button, and it will be delete. If you want to split the audio, you have to select the audio here and click here on the this scissor icon, and it will trim or split the audio. If you want to add the fade effect, this is the fade effect. Just simply select the audio from where you want to add the fade effect and just click on the fade, and now this fade effect will be added. So pretty much everything is easy on the FlexClip for customizing, changing, creating the video using all of its feature in the single platform. And I don't think any other editing video platform is offering such great options for you. Okay, now let me back to its official dashboard and show you the other steps as well. So right now we are on the template I have talked about. Let's go with its cloud space, because here I can just add my regularly and the consistent using files. Like this is the video, this is the speech, this is the any other stuff, logo, all the stuff I can add it. And if I have more team members, I can create the team members like this one, create team members, and I can add those team members here. If I click here, I will get to know more about my account here. So right now if I click on the account, there's the things it will show me, like the my account, my billing, password, social media whitelist, all these things I can instantly access and manage in the setting options. Okay, so this is the FlexClips, and ultimately I think I have showed you all the features around editing the video and using its sections to creating the videos, and you are now also amazed. I know you are amazed because it has so many great ways to edit the video instantly. Just select the templates, or you can also start from the scratch blank template. Then you have to add the videos, you can add the text, all this stuff. You can add the animations, you can add the style. You can just select the templates from this template sections and instantly customize. Okay, so FlexClip is one out of the hell tool you should not miss out, because its pricing is just a lot affordable. In the $69 one-time payment, I don't think you will find any other video editing tool with the same AI features and the tools you can find in this single dashboard, not even in the some popular platforms. And let me also compare it with its official pricing, so you get to know whether you are getting the value in the lifetime deal or not. So this is the official website. Let me go to the pricing section and let me see the pricing here. Okay, so you can see the pricing. There's also the free plan available, but let me tell you, you will get the really low and not kind of the every feature access here. So you can check it here. So it's around in the it's in the rupee pricing. So I think I have to customize it into the dollars. So how I can do that, I don't know how to customize it into the dollar. So let me tell you, so around for the monthly pricing, it is something like the $20. Okay, if I convert it into the dollars, it is something like the $20, and you are going to pay for the, that is we are getting in the tier 2. Let me go to the plans and features. For $140 one-time payment, this is the same limits and the credits we are getting in the, it's $20 per month pricing here, you can see. But still they have the so many limits available, like 5 stock videos per project we can just use in this $20 per month plan. But here we can use the unlimited projects, unlimited things we can use it here. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you want to check out the FlexClip, the link will be given in the description. And recently I have also created so many good videos that is published on my channel. For example, if you want to check it out, the top 5 lifetime deals you can find on the AppSumo, this is the video I suggest you to watch. So if you enjoyed this video on the FlexClip features and the overview, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel to stay updated with my regular AI videos and the SaaS tools. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.